Hello student, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today we discuss about some course that is very important to grade up or enhance your career and make you a skillful people. So in this course we have to learn, because now this time so many students confuse what they will do after engineering, after PG. Some students, they are coming from MBA background, but they are sitting in a this type. Why? Because now employment, or you can say that trading, now this time what happened, that recruitment company are recruitment less people, because business trend is in a down phase, and when recovery will come, then they will employ more engineers or doctor engineers or whatever. But you see that we cannot sitting at home and just waiting for our turn. We should enhance our career. So enhancement for our career, there is one course that is run by reputed companies, and companies also, and institutions like IIT Delhi, Delhi, Mumbai, Madras, और IIT Hyderabad, IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Kolkata, and there are so many reputed institutions, they run this course. Even IISc Bangalore. So why I am recommending, we should try for this course, and this course is available online basis and offline basis, online and offline. So why we should do? Because PG program in data science and engineering, we are talking about this course, and other one is artificial science. You know very well, this course is future of world. Just like, and for 5th generation study is this. When early 90s, 2000 around, or beginning of 1990, those persons who have done basic computer course, they were top. They are top now in this industry. At that time, Java, SQL are in demand, but now this time, data science and engineering and artificial science are in demand, and this is the beginning phase. So what, we should go this side. What time we should see, we should able to see what are going to change, and we should adopt now to change for that time. When time will come, you can do better. So for artificial science, they are huge in demand, and data science, because data science now this time what happened, this time data science are demand in every field, in a logistic, in a trade, export, import, everywhere data is important. We are in social media, data we are needed. Even Google needs data. Everyone needs its customer care. So data is important. Analysis of data is very important. So these are the facts. But requirement is very easy. Means that here a normal graduate can do this course. Just you have a basics knowledge of what programming, and you are little bit good in engineering, you can do this course. You have to give counseling. There will be online interview of 5-6 panel, and they will take interview on Skype or WhatsApp. They will arrange your interview, and on the basis of interview you can be selected. And you know that these are the top institutions where just doing any course, people to become an alumni of this institution, people do any course, but you are getting this top course and you should try for that. And why I am saying that? Because the first what we see here, 5-month classroom or 9-month online dedicated placement assistant. So placement is here, it's yours first. So many students, they are engineering, sitting at home, they should do this course. Why I am saying why? Because I want who are best mind and just they are wasting their time. I am not saying that they are wasting their time, but somebody need opportunity. Everyone need a platform. Okay, somebody get easily, somebody they have to wait, someone they are still searching. So this is the best option, and here is what for doing this course you have to pay. Here 18th November is the last date, and here government provide loan, because these are the top institution. Any bank can finance your loan, and loan will be just 2 lakh. The whole course structure fees is 2 lakh. So many my students are doing this course and they are recruited in a very good companies. Okay, so that's why I'm saying those who are sitting or who can do, they can do. Okay, they don't do your waste your time, and if you get just in 2 lakh this course, you can buy. This is the best option for you, and if I get opportunity I will also do. Okay, because I am giving lecturing you. Why? Because sometimes we need information. Without information nobody know. So through this channel I want to tell about data science course and engineering and artificial science. These are the future, and you try to learn this course, and best luck you, and thank you for Anokha channel for this information to share with you.